Hey T-Dot, Lance McDonald with the Safety Office, and for today's Safety Week video, we're talking about something that keeps our vehicles safe and running smoothly. Routine maintenance and pre-trip inspections. Whether you're driving for work or just taking a road trip, keeping your vehicle in top shape is essential. I'm here with David Harmon, one of our experienced T-Dot mechanics, who's going to walk us through some key tips and checks you should never skip before hitting the road. So David, why is vehicle maintenance so important for vehicle safety and longevity?
Vehicle maintenance is important for safety and longevity. Prolong the life of your vehicle by doing simple things such as checking the oil. Your engine oil, it breaks down over time. Once it breaks down, it stops losing its protective values.
So David, what are some of the more common issues you see with vehicles that don't undergo routine maintenance?
One of the common issues is vehicles overheating due to lack of coolant. People not checking the coolant level, checking their oil levels. Also, people ignoring their check engine light. When it comes on, not having the codes read, it could lead to further problems, major issues down the road.
So what advice would you give to a T-Dot employee driving a state-issued vehicle about how often they should have routine maintenance performed?
Here at T-Dot, we try to perform routine maintenance every 7,500 miles, unless you notice something, an oil leak, or you're having a vibration or something. You're more than welcome to come in and let us check it out.
So let's say that I'm due for routine maintenance on my vehicle. Who should I contact to have this maintenance performed?
My suggestion would be go to your assigned garage, the one that you're assigned to work out of, and speak to the garage supervisor and tell them that you're needing an oil change or some routine maintenance. If you can't speak to the garage supervisor, any garage employee should be able to help you get that taken care of.
So if you're a headquarters employee, who should you contact?
Here at headquarters, same thing. You come in the regional garage here and speak to the garage supervisor or any of the mechanics.
So thanks for talking about preventive maintenance. Let's switch gears a little bit and talk pre-trip inspections. So what are some of the more critical checks that a vehicle operator should consider in a pre-trip inspection prior to leaving for the job site for the day?
Some of the most important things would be checking your fluid levels in your vehicle, such as you can check your engine oil, make sure your engine's at the proper level of oil. Also checking your brake fluid, make sure you got plenty of brake fluid. You can also check your coolant level, make sure you got plenty of coolant, and your transmission fluid, make sure you're at the proper level on your transmission fluid. Also another one, windshield washer fluid. I recommend checking, make sure you've got plenty of washer fluid, because we all know you need to be able to see where you're going.
Is this something you think should be performed on a daily basis?
Absolutely, a daily basis, no matter whether it's your personal vehicle or a company vehicle. I recommend you checking the oil in your vehicle every day, along with any other fluids.
Thanks for walking us through that. You know, tires and brakes are important too as part of a pre-trip. What should our operators be checking for in regards to tires and brakes, in your opinion?
On the brake system, my opinion, one thing you need to look at, not only are you going to check the level of your brake fluid, but also look at the color of the brake fluid. Your brake fluid should be a nice golden brown color. If it's really dark, it could be overheated, or it could have some contaminants in it. As far as your tires go, follow the recommended tire information sticker found in the driver's door on all your vehicles. Should tell you the proper inflation and the proper size of the tires that your vehicle should be running.
Here at T-Dot, we put a lot of miles on our vehicles, don't we? Eventually it's going to come time where we need a tire replacement. At what point, should an operator be aware of the need to get new tires?
Whenever you feel a vibration, or if you can tell sometimes in the steering, as long with the vibration, or by the way the vehicle's pulling, it could be pulling to the left or to the right. You could have uneven tire wear. Here at T-Dot, we try to inspect your tires every time you come into the shop, and if we see that you need tires, we'll go ahead and replace them for you.
What tools should drivers keep in their vehicles for maintenance or even for emergencies?
Well, for maintenance, one thing you can keep is a tire gauge to check your tire pressures, especially in an older vehicle that doesn't have the tire pressure monitoring system. that would display the tire pressure on the dash. You also want to make sure you've got a good working jack, a lug wrench to where you can change the tire. Also, you might want to keep a set of safety triangles and a fire extinguisher in your vehicle. And for some bad emergencies, you might want to throw an extra blanket in the vehicle just in case you're broke down and you're waiting on a tow truck to come. That way you can stay warm.
All right, thanks for walking us through those important checks, David. Remember, taking a few minutes to perform routine maintenance and pre-trip inspections can make all the difference in keeping your vehicle safe and reliable. So before you hit the road, take some time to inspect your vehicle. It's a small step that goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there for the right reasons.